Hi, this is Jana and welcome to my kitchen. I am making the simplest thing there is, my daughter's favorite Hidden Valley Ranch dip. But what I do is I put in 16 ounces for every pack that you're going to do. So 16 ounces of sour cream, and get the best sour cream you can afford, because I think it makes a difference in it. It's not watery. And so 16 ounces. And here's the secret, and I've got so many compliments through the years, and that is to add about a quarter cup of mayonnaise. We had this little one that Aaron picked up. I've got great big jars.
It was easy. It was a squeezy too.
Yeah, I use it for sandwich or whatever. And so we're going to add about a quarter of a cup. I'm going to take that off. I got to get more strength in that, like a baseball pitcher. There. About a quarter cup of mayonnaise. And then we just add our ranch. Make sure it says dip mix. Because the recipe on the back of the package just says sour cream. But what is it, Aaron? Just that extra little bit of creaminess, I think.
Creamy, a little bit of like a little kick to it, like a little like.
Well, not a kick. A little something.
Something. I don't know what you want to call it.
Yeah, just that little extra.
It's really good.
Down here in the South, there is a word called lagniappe, which means just a little something extra. And I think that's what it is, because it doesn't taste like your normal Hidden Valley dip, but that mayonnaise just adds that little something that makes a difference.
Once you try it, you'll see what I'm talking about.
Yes, and then refrigerate this for about a half an hour at least, just so that that dryness can get absorbed in. And then I've got our celery and carrots mixed up here. Try not to drop this in the whole works here. And you know what? Thanksgiving's coming, and let's just say you're working and somebody says, hey, can you bring something to Thanksgiving this year? Tell them you're going to bring the crudité, the celery, a little bit of Hidden Valley dip, some cauliflower. You can grab some olives, black olives, green olives, and some pickles. And you can bring that. That is going to make, listen, every single hostess would appreciate you bringing this, because all it takes is time to get your celery and carrots cut up. Cauliflower is so easy to cut up, and you're ready to go. All right, now for the true test. Aaron is our supreme taste tester of all things.
Very good.
There you go. See? So simple, so fast. Thank you for stopping by Jana's Kitchen.